If you find this video useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thank you guys. Now let's get right into it. Now the first thing you need to know is that do not create unlimited Gmail accounts using your computer or using your laptop. You need to use your phone. So you need to come to your phone and then go to Play Store and search for Gmail. Then it will bring you to this interface. So ensure that your Gmail app is up to date. If it is not up to date, you need to update it. Once you've done that, you need to open your Gmail. Then it will bring you to this interface. Now just go to your profile icon on the top right corner. As you can see guys, I have a lot of Gmail accounts here, which I created them without phone number. So once you are here, just click on add another account at the bottom. Then click on Google. Then create account. Then for my personal use, then you can enter your first name and your surname. Then next. Then you can enter your birthday and gender. Then next. Then you can choose the username that you want to use as your email. So I'm just going to enter that. Then next. So as you can see, the username has been taken, so I'm going to try another one. Then next. Then you can create a strong password. I'm going to do that. Then next. Then this is how your Gmail address will appear. So you need to review your account. So once you confirm that this is how you want it to be, just click on next. Then scroll down. Then click on I agree. So as you can see guys, the Gmail account has been created. So you need to repeat this process several times for you to have multiple Gmail accounts. So as you can see, we are still logging in. Then you need to sign in into your account. So I'm just going to enter the Gmail here. Then for us to confirm if the Gmail account has been created, just click on your profile icon on the top right corner. Then scroll down. Then you will see this account there at the bottom. Just open it. Then this is the account that which we've just created. So as you can see on the top there, this is the new account that we've created. So you need to repeat this process several times for you to have unlimited Gmail accounts. That's it guys. That's how you can simply create unlimited Gmail account without phone number. Now if you found this video useful, please do not forget to subscribe and to like the video. Thank you guys, and I hope to see you in the next one.